Hey, Ms. Wang, I keep increasing the voltage, but the material doesn't move at all. Can you help me see what's going on? Okay, let me see. In your case, it is useless to just adjust the voltage. You have to adjust its frequency. Each vibratory feeder bowl has an optimal oblique vibratory point. Today, Ms. Wang will teach you a little trick on how to find the optimal oblique vibratory point of the vibratory feeder bowl to ensure smooth feeding. First, we press and hold the gear key for 2 seconds to enter the basic parameter page. When the value is displayed on the controller screen, it means that the output frequency adjustment has been entered. At this time, we can put our hands on the vibratory feeder bowl to feel the amplitude. Press the up key to increase the output frequency, and you will feel that the hand shakes more and more. When the handshake amplitude reaches the peak, we can see that the material is running smoothly. And the frequency at this time is the optimal working frequency. We can also fine-tune it up or down according to the actual situation. Only by finding the best oblique vibratory point can our materials run smoothly. Have you learned this little trick? If you have any questions about the vibratory feeder bowl and controller, please comment on Ms. Wang's area, and Ms. Wang will solve them for you one by one.